What did you drink? Speak a little bit louder.
I don't know.
Okay, it was beer. How much? How many beer? 4. I think you don't believe that yourself.
Okay, 5.
More. I think it was about 9. And a little bit vodka.
No.
With orange.
Orange.
Yeah, that was before the disco.
Oh shit. Okay.
And what did you do in the disco?
Dance. I dance.
Okay. Did you kiss the boy or something? No. What did Olivia do? You don't know? You don't know what she did.
I don't know.
Olivia, that's the girl with the boy. The very ugly man. Okay, you should go to bed now.
I go to bed.
Yeah, you should go to bed.
I go to sleep.
Yeah, you go to sleep.
And what time will I wake up?
What?
What time will I wake up?
I don't know. Not before 10 o'clock.
Okay.
I think that's enough. Good night. Good night.